This is like kind of scary, like not gonna lie.
Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram and Pinterest and literally everything is very, very girly. And be on the lookout for my new music video. It's coming out soon, and my song is gonna release soon, so be on the lookout.
You cry before I'll do the crying now. I'll take the blame for this. There is no saving it. If it was bad before, it won't be bad now. Made you cry before I'll do the crying.
Look at how fuzzy my sweater is. Like, I'm living. I love fall. I'm living, love fall. I feel so comfortable. Hello. So today I will be upgrading my iPhone from this little iPhone X to this iPhone XS. Basically, we're doing an unboxing the iPhone XS. So if you guys didn't know, I have the T-Mobile Jump program, which means that when the new iPhone comes out, you can upgrade to the new iPhone. How much your iPhone before is worth at that point gets subtracted from the new iPhone cost. That's why it's best to do it as soon as possible while the iPhone X still is worth something. I had to order it online because apparently the memory that's 500 something isn't in stores. Like all of those iPhones that have 500 something memory, no store no T-Mobile carries the 500 memory gigabyte iPhone. And also, I always do the disclaimer that I am not a tech god, not a tech genius. I'm your average person, and if I mix up some words, sorry. I'm not gonna be giving you the techie terms for everything. I'm just gonna speak as the average person opening a phone. Yes. All right, let's get these scissors going. That's such a weird thing to say. Also, my voice is a little weird because I'm sick. Oh, look at that little pink. Okay. Anyways, look at all this cute pink. Okay. Ooh, it just collapsed, like on all sides. Wow. Okay, so this is how it comes. I don't know if I like this design. I know they always rebrand with new like wallpapers and stuff, and I know it's so temporary and like it doesn't even matter. Like you could change your wallpaper obviously, but like I don't like this design. This is like a weird, right? Okay, it doesn't matter. I just wanted to say that. The iPhone XS, I got the silver because I tried to order the gold and the black, but it was on back order. It wouldn't come until like the end of October, beginning November. And I was like, it's like, fine, I'll just get the silver. Either way, I'm gonna wear a bunch of iPhone cases. Like it'll, you know, like whatever, fine, I guess. Which, by the way, why do we not have rose gold anymore? Why is that not a thing anymore? I'm mad. Anyways, so the XS, and I got the 512 gigabytes, which is the biggest one. And here it says that. So that is the biggest one, and they took away the middle options. Now it's like 100, 200, and 500. So, like the 300 is gone now for some reason. Okay. Okay. So the screen is supposedly bigger with this iPhone. It's entirely the entire screen. So the screen is bigger than the iPhone X. Oh, now they give you a thing to take out your SIM card from your old phone. That's nice. They never used to do that. Yeah, okay, because we used to always have to struggle with like a paper clip and stuff, which is so silly, but like, all right. So it does have Face ID. Control center, you swipe from the upper right corner. Same volume buttons, 3D touch if you need it, the same side buttons as before, and it also does do wireless charging as well. So okay, so then this is also what it comes with. So this is a silver. It looks very similar to the iPhone X. I always drop something. They give you a new thingy to charge, and they also give you a charger. Good. And they give you headphones, and they look like they're gonna be the AirPods, but no, sis, they're gonna have all of the wires in the back. Like, they literally look like they were gonna be AirPods, but they're not. So it's just new headphones, which I'm really happy about because I lost mine. Hee hee hee. I'm a mess. So yeah, and then they have just this. This time, does it not come with a connector? So the iPhones used to come with the little portable connector, you know, the one that everyone would lose, and it would come so that if you had headphones prior that don't have this ending, you could connect it to the phone and still use them. But they decided not to include that. That's shady. Because what if you have Beats or something, you know? So like, okay, let's do this. The best part. This is the best part. Oh, and she's turning on. It's the slide, the mute and not, the little up and down, and the power button right here on the other side. On here, they have the same charging port right here. She's on. It gives me an option for quick start, which says if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Okay, y'all. Oh my god, it's setting up. It just went. I didn't touch anything. Unlock to continue. Oh my god, I didn't touch anything on my phone. Hold up. Set up the new phone, and it says my Apple ID. Oh my god. Oh my god. It says hold up your new iPhone up to the camera, and then it's gonna look at this image. Oh, what is this image? So now it's saying enter passcode. Now it just says setting up your new iPhone, and it says finish on new iPhone. Your head slowly to complete the circle. Oh my god, it's so different. I'm gonna take y'all with me.
This is like kind of scary, like not gonna lie.
There's like so much going on. Like, I'm so confused. This is the old iPhone, this is a new iPhone. And this is the front. It is a little taller, actually. You could see here, it is a little taller, and I feel like it's a little wider. It is a little wider. It's a little taller and a little wider. I'll show more close-ups here, but there is definitely a difference with these. Is it a big difference? No. And I didn't get the Max just because I have very, very, very small hands, and I cannot handle the Max. And plus, the Max is like a lot more money than the normal one. I mean, they're all a lot of money, don't get me wrong, but the Max is even more money than the normal one. So like, I have no idea, but I decided this one was a good medium between all of the new iPhones coming out, and the other iPhone hasn't come out yet. It's like gonna be a cheaper version. And if you guys want to see a review, I'll totally do a review. Comment that down below and I'll do it. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will be doing a giveaway soon for iPhone cases for this iPhone and the iPhone X, so stay tuned. Bye guys!
Rocking the new Yeezys. She's mad cute, mad cool.